how you let me agree to this. I really don't like bats.
I can hear them, can't you? Oh, they're in helicopters.
How did those get in here?
Oh,
Jeez.
man. It's just my heart's beating so bad.
Okay.
My heart's really beating. I have a pulse.
I don't hear it. Alright. I want to get that checked out.
All right, now we're looking for the treasure in here, man.
Treasure, right. I hear it's guarded by big werewolf. I hear him now.
Does he have a frog in his throat?
Well, he hasn't been to the doctor in a while.
So just,
You need some cough medicine?
I got some cough drops for you, werewolf. Really big ones. Oh, they're growing. Okay.
Okay, go. There it is. There it is.
The treasure chest is making some noise.
Is there a cat?
Oh yeah, look at this.
What have you got in there?
There's multiple chests. Okay. Catnip, catnip. Always be prepared. Okay.
I'm allergic to cats. Oh no, here comes the sneeze.
You alright?
Yeah,
That was a little off.
I know.
Alright, let's open it and see all its glory. Sounds nice. Let's go again. An octave higher. Ooh, another octave higher. Oh, okay, too high. Well, all right. Well, let's load it up.
Okay, I got this one. All right.
Oh, we're rolling down the stairs. My goodness.
Now we have to go deeper. Jeez.
Oh, it's scary.
I hope that monster didn't come back.
Oh, did you hear that?
Snakes.
Snakes. I hate
Cats and
snakes.
cats.
This is one creepy cave. You know what? Let's call for backup.
Yeah. Well,
I got it. iPhones, that's big.
I'm not here right now. Just leave your number, please.
Great, that was the cops.
Ha 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 ha!